Hi, this is Helal. In this video on Mathematical Economics series, we will try to solve a problem on finding the break-even point of output cost and revenue from the given fixed cost, variable cost and the price. Okay, the question is like this. A firm has fixed cost of 300, variable cost of 10 per unit and sells a unit at a price of 6. We have to find the break-even point of output, cost and revenue. Okay, so let us see what is break-even point of output. That is, break-even point requires or it occurs where our total revenue is equal to total cost, or we can write total revenue minus total cost is equal to 0. Okay, and it is a situation where there is zero economic profit. Okay, now where does this situation occur on graph? I will also show you with this example. Now what we are being given fixed cost. Let us write FC as fixed cost is given as 300. Okay, and we have variable cost is equal to 10. Okay, and let's denote output by Q. That means 10 per unit, that means 10 per unit. Okay, that means if Q is equal to 1, if Q is equal to 1, variable cost will be 10 into 1, that is 10. If Q is equal to 2, variable cost will be 10 into 2, that is 20. And similarly, if Q is equal to 5, let us say, then variable cost will be 10 into 5, that means 50. It depends upon the output level. Okay, and fixed cost is independent upon the a unit is produced. Okay, this is our fixed cost, variable cost. And now what is the total cost? Total cost is simply the aggregate of fixed cost and variable cost, that is FC plus VC. And what is our fixed cost? This is 300 plus 10Q. This is our total cost. Now what is price is given as price is equal to 16. Sorry, it is actually here 16, so I will write here it is 16 here. And what will be the total revenue? Total revenue is simply equal to price into output sold. Okay, so what is price? Price is 16 into Q. That means our total revenue is 16Q. Now break even will occur. Break even requires that our total revenue should be equal to total cost. What is our total revenue? Total revenue is 16. I will write it again. Okay, let me rub it. So total revenue should be equal to total cost. What is our total revenue? That is 16Q. Should be equal to total cost is 300 plus 10Q. Okay, or if we transpose this 10Q on LHS, it will get subtracted. That means transposing changes the sign. So we have 16Q minus 10Q is equal to 300, or 16Q minus 10Q is simply 6Q is equal to 300, or Q is equal to 300. If we transpose this, it will get divided or go to the denominator here. So we have 6 ones are 6 5s are 30, 6 zeros are 0. That means Q is equal to 50. And this will be our break-even point. Now let us graph this out. So let us draw the graph roughly here. On the horizontal axis we have the quantity, and on vertical axis we have total revenue and total cost. Okay, now what is our total cost? Total cost, first I will write what is our fixed cost here. Fixed cost will be 300. Okay, let me draw here. This is our fixed cost, that very cost which does not depend upon the production. Whether we produce 0 units, fixed costs will remain same, and we have 300 units. And if we produce 50 units, it will also remain same. Okay, so total cost function is this. We have the intercept as 300, and then we have 10Q. Okay, let me draw it like this. This is our total cost. Okay, let me write, this is total cost function. And what is our total revenue function? Total revenue is 16q. That means when q is equal to 0, if q is equal to 0, let me write here, if q is equal to 0, total revenue will be 16 into 0, which is equal to 0. That means if we sell nothing, our revenue will be 0. Similarly, if q is equal to 2, total revenue will be equal to 16 into 2, that is 32. Okay, when q is equal to 2, it will be 32 total revenue. That means it is origin will be it will go through the origin here. So let me write clearly. Okay, this is our total revenue. Now what is the break-even point here? Break-even point is a point where our total revenue and total cost intersect. That means this point is our break-even point when we produce 50 units. Okay, so break-even occurs where our total revenue is exactly equal to our total cost. Okay, and this very portion here, this very portion will be the profit. Okay, why it is profit here? Because our total revenue curve is above the total cost curve. That means at any point our total revenue is greater than the total cost. Okay, and similarly this portion here, this portion denotes the loss. Okay, why? Because total cost is high and total revenue is low, because this red line is above the black line, and black line denotes the total revenue, red line denotes the total cost. Okay, and we have to find the cost and revenue. What will be our total cost? Total cost will be equal to, what is total cost function? That is 300 plus 10 q, and total cost will be 300 plus 10, the value of q is 50 at break even, that is 300 plus 500 comes out to be 800. And we can see also our total revenue. What is total revenue? Is p into q, p into q. Okay, what is p? P was 16, and what was q? Q was 50. And here we can see, and we have 0, 5, 6 are 30, 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8, and it is exactly equal to 800. Our total revenue is 800, our total cost is 800. That means here it is 800. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.